Hello everyone, welcome back to Knit Crow Addict channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet an easy cowl perfect for beginner, and I have free written pattern. It's available on our blog at knitcrowaddict.com. I'm gonna put the link in description below. I hope you enjoy and let's get started. For this project, I used Baroque remixed 100% recycled fibers, 30% nylon, 27% cotton, 24% acrylic, 10% silk, and 9% linen. This is number 4 medium weight yarn. This one in color fern. In each ball is have 216 yards. I use about 240 yards. So I used a little bit on the second ball. Okay, if you want to substitute yarn, just look for number 4 medium weight yarn. And I use 5mm crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle. This pattern is in a multiple of 4 chains, and we're gonna work in a round. Okay, so first I make slip knot, insert the hook into that slip knot, and I'm gonna make 100 chains. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Now I have 100 chain. I'm gonna make a slip stitch into the first chain that I made to form a circle. Make sure that your chain is not twisted. Okay. I insert the hook into the first chain here. And yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it through. That is a slip stitch. And now I have a circle. And we're gonna work in a round. Round 1, we chain 3. Count as 1 double crochet. And into the same chain, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is a double crochet. And then make 1 more double crochet into the same chain. Includes the first 3 chain here. I have 3 stitches into the same stitch. Okay, next chain 1, skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna repeat this around. So we chain 1, skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. Here's 1, 2, 3. And repeat, chain 1, skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. Okay, and you're gonna repeat, you're gonna make chain 1, skip 3 chain, and 3 double crochet into the next chain. Repeat that until you have 3 chain left at the end of round 1, and I will show you how to end round 1. Okay, now I have 3 chain left at the end of round 1, and to finish round 1, after I make 3 double crochet here, I'm gonna chain 1 and skip the last 3 chain, and then make slip stitch into the third chain right here when we start round 1. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through. Here's what it looks like at the end of round 1. And I have a total of 100 stitches around, includes the chain spaces. Round 2, chain 3. Always count as 1 double crochet. Then we're gonna make 1 double crochet into each stitch and then into each chain around. I'm gonna make double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the chain space, double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the chain space, and double crochet into the next stitch. Alright, you're gonna keep making double crochet into each stitch and into each chain space around, and I will be back when I'm at the end of round 2. I'm at the end of round 2, and for the last double crochet you're gonna make into the last chain space, and after that we're gonna make slip stitch into the third chain right here. And now round 2 is complete, and I have a total of 100 stitches around. For round 3, chain 3. Always count as 1 double crochet. And into the same stitch, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. So includes the first 3 chain. It'll be 3 stitches right here. Then chain 1. Skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. And we're gonna repeat around. Chain 1, skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Repeat, chain 1, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Here's what it looks like so far. You're gonna repeat, you're gonna chain 1, skip 3 stitches, and then make 3 double crochet into the next stitch. Keep repeating that around until you have 3 stitches left at the end of round 3, and I will be back. I have 3 stitches left at the end of round 3, and to end round 3, after I make the last 3 double crochet, I'm gonna chain 1 and skip the last 3 stitches here and make slip stitch into the third chain. And now round 3 is complete, and I have the same 100 stitches around, includes the chain spaces. This pattern is 2 rounds repeat, which is round 2 and round 3. From now on, you're just gonna repeat round 2 and round 3 over and over. So I'm gonna keep repeating round 2 and round 3 8 more times, and I will have a total of 19 rounds. Start count from round 1. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more repeat, which is round 4 and round 5. For round 4, we're gonna repeat round 2. We chain 3. Always count as 1 double crochet. Then we're gonna make 1 double crochet into each stitch and then into each chain space around. Double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the chain space, double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next chain 1 space, double crochet into the next stitch, like that. Keep repeating that around. I'm at the end of round 4, and for the last double crochet you're gonna make into the chain space, and after that we're gonna make slip stitch into the third chain to end the round. At the end of round 4, I have the same 100 stitches around. For round 5, we're gonna repeat round 3. We chain 3. Always count as 1 double crochet. And then make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Includes the first 3 chain. It'll be 3 stitches into the same stitch. Then chain 1. Skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Repeat, chain 1. Skip 3 stitches. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Repeat, chain 1. Skip 3 stitches. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Alright, keep repeating this until you have 3 stitches left. Now I have 3 stitches left at the end of round 5, and to finish round 5, I'm gonna chain 1 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain here. At the end of round 5, I have the same 100 stitches around, includes the chain 1 spaces. So I'm gonna keep repeating round 2 and round 3 until I reach the end of round 19, and I will be back. I'm at the end of round 19. Next, I'm gonna cut the yarn and weave the end. I cut the yarn, put the yarn out, and I'm done. If you want taller than this, just keep repeating round 2 and round 3 more times, okay? So for me, I think 19 rounds is perfect. And that's it. I'm gonna weave the end later, this end as well. And here's what it looks like. It's very easy and pretty. I hope you enjoy making this very easy cowl. If you did, please give this video a big thumb up and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.